Trade. Wherein it says under the Ming, large ships were built. One thing that you need to mainly be cognizant of when it comes to this, these are Chinese ships, the big ones. And the small ones are European ships. So when we say under the Ming, large ships were built, you need to understand that China developed way earlier than Europe, way earlier than America, way earlier than all the countries that you can think of. What's the main reason of us doing this again? I repeat, we are trying to prove the very fact that Europeans did not come up with civilization. Some countries and some places and some continents were already advanced even before the advancement of Europeans. So in this instance, when we speak of big ships came from China. And when we speak of navigation instruments, they also came from China. When we speak of technological advancements, that therefore came about in line with the navigation, because you can see how big the ship is. That means these people had to have studied a whole lot of things, mathematics, you can name it, weather, whatever the case may be. Technology in its manner was mainly going to be applied here, which means China was far ahead in terms of technological advancement. And it says here, by the 16th century, Chinese ships were the most advanced in the world. When we say the world, we are not saying in Africa, in China, but we are saying in the entirety of the globe. Which means when we speak of these ships being this big, they were better than anyone's ships in the world. And at this point in time, there was going to be someone who was going to be the captain. And the captain of these ships in China, it was not just going to be an ordinary people. We have already established the very fact that people in China are given positions on capabilities or based on capabilities, not on the very fact that you are related with the empire. That's why a whole lot of things are going to happen in the manner in which they are, which is successful. Because people that are going to be leading those things, they are going to be capable of doing the given tasks. This is why. It's not about it.